Hello and welcome to the channel. Just wanted to give a overview on my Axial Wraith. This was the Axial Wraith spawn kit that I had completed recently. So just wanted to give a quick overview on it. So a few upgrades to mention off the bat. We have the Proline tires with the Proline Titus wheels. These are the Hyrax 2.2s. Also have the worn winch on the front. In one of my short videos you actually saw the worn winch test. Now this winch is hooked up to my Traxxas 3-channel radio. This radio has been converted, the top switch has been converted to run the winch. You will need the receiver, the 6518 I believe it is. I'll confirm that part number, but you will need that receiver. It will not work on the TSM receiver, but you can modify the top switch so your winch can work directly, from the vehicle itself without the external remote. Screwing the side screws in there to put the body on and off got to me pretty quickly. So I did put on a set of Traxxas Battery Posts, holders with the little clip there. So the body now just slides on, and I can easily clip it in. Also up front have the Axial light. These are the light kits. So I do have the light up front. Now one thing I will show on the kit, the steering is plastic, and you can see the flex actually in that plastic. So I will be upgrading that. Also for this vehicle I did order a Wraith Poison Spyder body with the regular Wraith interior. I thought it was going to be in today, but it has not shown up as of yet, so I do have the seats ready to go. Just do not have the interior or the body. Not so much worried about the body, but definitely wanted to do something with the interior. Not a big fan of the plastic kind of molded interior there, so I wanted to do something a little different, put the Wraith interior in there. In the back of the vehicle I did actually mount some rear lights. They do sit a little bit inside, so they're not as visible as I would like, but they are in there. Looking to change that around as we move forward, but as of right now that's where they are. So looking on the inside, I have this Savox 1210 waterproof servo. Like I said before, I have these in most of my vehicles. And powering this is the Tekin FXR. And I do have it paired up with a 35 turn brushed motor. I have this pretty much set up for crawling, not so much for speed, but for crawling. So I also have a Castle Creations, a waterproof BEC, just helping limit all the current coming into this thing, making sure I have power where I need it. Nice piece about the kit is you do get the upgraded Lynx, so I was definitely excited about that. Look to see how the top links hold up, but I may look to upgrade those in the future, as well as the shocks themselves, aluminum bodied. So that's about it. Really just wanted to give a quick update or a quick view of the Axial Wraith spawn kit. I will be doing some upgrades, and I will update as I get those upgrades installed. Hopefully the body and the interior come in soon and I can give a little update. But if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.